Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to talk about a study that I just recently discovered for ThinkOrSwim. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I've liked it so far, but I can't completely vouch for it until I obviously get more trading sessions under my belt. But so far, I really like this reversal trading indicator that I found online for, like I said, it's ThinkOrSwim, but there may be a way to make it compatible with other trading softwares. You may have to get in touch with your broker or whoever you trade with and see if you could speak with a tech developer to see if you guys could add the same code. But I'll give you guys the the programming code for ThinkOrSwim in a bit. But let me just talk to you about exactly what the study does. So, as you could see, there's green blocks, red blocks, and purple blocks. These are all indicating reversals. You could apply them to any kind of chart, the 3-minute, the 1-minute, even the daily chart, however you want to your liking. And basically, when it's a red block, that's indicating a bearish reversal. If it's a green block, it's indicating a bullish reversal. And if it's purple, it usually means that it's undecided. It's sort of on a neutral path. It could mean that obviously if it's a bear trend and suddenly there's a purple indicator, that there's a chance that it could reverse into a bullish signal. Vice versa, if it's a bullish trend and it looks like it's about to reverse, the purple indicator is basically saying there's a chance it could be a bearish reversal. But typically, depending on if you're going long or short, you obviously want to see a green or a red block. But I took my trade on the stock CHNR today based on this purple block. That's really because the stock was approaching a validated level of support around the 325 area. So this was a support that I drew out from the daily chart. So I felt very confident jumping in, and then having this block appear was just extra validation for me that I knew the stock had a good chance to make a huge run. In fact, I sold really early, which I didn't mean to do, but that's okay. Green is always good. But going back to the study, again, this is a trend reversal study. So from what I've learned so far, based on what other people have to say about it who have used it for a longer period of time, they say that that this study is best used for longer time frames, like the 10-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. And they say that you should probably, if you're gonna go a short time frame, that the minimum you should go is 5 minutes. Anything less than 5 minutes isn't completely reliable, but I've been using it on a 3-minute, 1-minute chart. For the most part, I've been finding it reliable. Again, I don't have many trading sessions under my belt with this study indicator, but so far so good. I know the way it looks right now, it's like, okay, wow, it's basically giving signals at 100% accuracy, and you're seeing these reverses. This is what you're seeing right now. In real time, they appear, and if it goes against what it's saying, it's just going to disappear. So that basically implies that it was wrong. So obviously don't let this entire setup fool you. There was a couple of candlesticks where, some of these blocks appeared and they disappeared like a couple of minutes later because the trend was still the same and there wasn't actually a true validated reversal. But for the most part, it does work. If anything, it just helps me take a trade with more conviction if I see that a stock is approaching a daily support level that I really trust, and if I see one of these blocks appear, then it's just extra validation for me to know that it's going to go higher. But again, I'm gonna. I'm not going to vouch for this study completely. I'm going to have a few more trading sessions under my belt to see how I'm liking it so far. But a lot of people say with the 10-15 minute time frame, it just tends to do a lot better. And in real time, the way these blocks appear is, so for instance, when this candlestick closed at around, what was it, 10 a.m., and then this candlestick appeared, that's when this block told you that there's a reversal level at 350. And what I really like about these blocks are, if it's wrong, it actually already draws out the support, or not the support, sorry, it already draws out where you should stop out. So for instance, you know, you can't see the green line here because it's, maybe if I get rid of the support. Sorry, hang on a second. Sorry, my Mac sometimes does this. It's like a mouse problem. Give me a second. Huh. That's odd. Yeah, there's supposed to be a green line here where it tells you, okay, the reversal is wrong. This is where you should stop out. It has it for the for this block right here, where it's telling you that the reversal is at $5.17, and this red line indicates the stop. If you're wrong, then you should cover if it goes past this 560 area. See if I zoom in here a bit. Yeah, it's got it here too, where, you know, it's saying that there's a reversal at 211, and if that's not correct, then you should stop at 204. So I like the fact that it draws these stops for you. And the way the study works is, I believe it's basically gathering historical moving averages and Fibonacci's. I think a couple of other statistics and data to come up with these reverse blocks. And I like it so far, like I said. So I'll keep you guys updated with how it's going. But like I said, it's just extra validation for me to take trades with more conviction. So anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, real quick, as far as how to download this. So I'll post a link on my on this video's description down below. But I basically found this on the Use ThinkScript website. The Use ThinkScript website is a list of a bunch of studies you could use on ThinkOrSwim to really help manage your risk with day trading or you know, any trading for that matter. And basically what you do is, this is a code for the trend reversal. All you have to do is just, you know, highlight this entire thing. Oops. So you just copy off this website, and then you go to Edit Studies, you click Create, and you get rid of this, copy paste, and I'm not going to push OK since I've already created a study, but you basically just name it whatever you want. I just named it Trade Reversal or Trend Reversal, and then you just click Apply, and then these blocks should start appearing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is just for ThinkOrSwim, which is the trading platform that I use. So maybe if you do a bit more research to see how you can make this code compatible with other trading softwares, again, maybe check with your broker, call their tech team to see what they have to say, or maybe look online to see what other people are saying about how you can transition this to other trading softwares. But other than that, if you guys like this video, all I ask is that you hit the thumbs up. It really helps this channel. Please subscribe if you find this content valuable. I'll be making more videos in the future. And leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Other than that, have a great weekend. Take care. Bye.